Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be doing another makeup meltdown video. I know you're like, India, why would you put yourself through that pain and misery again? For y'all's entertainment, because hopefully you guys found it entertaining. It better have been entertaining, okay? It has to. Otherwise, all that embarrassment was for nothing. And now I'm gonna embarrass myself once again. So who's excited? I certainly am not. So I'm gonna be trying a new makeup look. I don't know what it is yet. I know what it is.
One eternity later.
I'm gonna be attempting a blue eyeshadow look. I know, bringing back early 2000s, but I suck with blue. The best color I'm at, or the two best colors I'm at, are yellow and like pinks and reds. Technically three. So I'm trying blue. I don't do well with blue, so I hope this goes well. Probably won't. So okay, so the two palettes I'm going to be using for this look is the Love in London by BH Cosmetics and the James Charles palette. I unfortunately don't own Blue Blood by Jeffree Star, but I'm hoping to get that soon. Let's hop right in. First, I'm going to be going in with Playground on the James Charles palette. I'm just going to tap, because, tap, tap. Okay, I probably shouldn't be putting my mirror right in front of you guys because you probably don't want to see my mirror. So I'm just going to put this, where do I want it? I'm just going to lightly place this in my crease. So much for lightly, but like, okay, so I'm just going to tap it in. Oh yeah, tapping it gives it way more pigment. I already know this. Why am I saying? I don't know. Next eyeball. Okay, I really like people who do blue eyeshadow looks. I think they look really good. I just suck with blue eyeshadow, so I've always wanted to rock blue eyeshadow, but I feel like I'm definitely going to embrace the early 2000s. And trust me, I love the early 2000s, but I feel like the early 2000s should be left where the early 2000s belong. Okay, we're in 2020, people. So I'm just gonna blend this in. Blend it in? Yeah, that seems good. Buff out those edges. Now I know you're like, India, what experience do you have with makeup? I practice it because it's fun and I watch makeup tutorials on YouTube. So I'm very experienced. And that's why I make YouTube videos about it. Plus it's fun. It's fun. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. I hope you are. Because otherwise I'm gonna cry. Blending. Yeah, that looks like a blend. I don't know if this is important, but I'm blending in circular motions. Is that how you're supposed to do it? Someone who actually does makeup and doesn't just do it. Someone who I don't know. Someone who is good at makeup. Tell me if that's what you're supposed to do. Because I don't know. Okay, so either I'm gonna go in with brother or cola. I'm not quite sure. What am I feeling? A brother or a cola? I'm feeling like, oh goodness, India, you are gonna mess up. If this goes well, I'm gonna be upset because I'm going for looks I'm not good at and then ultimately freaking out. Oh, we're gonna pop in with brother, okay? Where am I gonna put it? Gonna put it on my eye. So I'm putting it at like the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna be placing more and I'm just gonna tap it. I'm gonna tippy tap. Tap tap tippity. Tippity tap tap. I don't know if you guys think this looks good. I don't know if I think this looks good yet. I'm gonna go back and do it on the other side. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're like, India, what the heck are you doing? And I just want to tell you, I have no idea. I'm hoping it's not gonna look like someone punched me in the face. Now we're gonna take that color and we're gonna blend it in. So we're gonna blend in circular motions. That seems to be how I like to blend. I mean, it doesn't look good, but it doesn't look good. It just doesn't look good. Crap, I forgot to prime my eyes, guys. I'm gonna slap myself. Forgot to prime my eyes. Literally, you'd think that I have no idea what I'm doing. And if you thought that, you'd be absolutely correct. I don't know why I decided to put white on my eyes. I just decided I needed to put it right here, okay? Stop asking me questions. We're going to be taking this shade Hello and putting it on our eyeballs. Also, if you're wondering, am I using the same brush for this entire makeup look? Yes. I'm taking Hello and I'm putting it right there. Right where it's light. We can do that. I don't really feel like this color is it, you know? Maybe it is. I'm just applying it. I feel like I really should have done a cut crease for that one, but you know what? I'm gonna go back into the color Brother and put that on more. And I don't know. The color Brother in the palette really reminds me of like a Sonic Blue. Wow, that's bad. I'm doing a cut crease, okay? I know I've already put on lots of eyeshadow already. I know. I think that's one of the best cut creases I've ever done in my entire life. Okay, I'm going to be going back in with the color Hello just to add it in where I put the cut crease because I think that'll look cute. Okay, I'm going to be going back in with the color Hello and putting it where I did the cut crease. I'm going to go back in with Brother. I know. Apparently I'm really into this color. And blend in with... Okay, so I sort of did something. Just ignore this. Well, I'm going to do rest of my face and come back. So I put on all, or like rest of my makeup, I guess. And then I put on my false eyelashes. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, so I didn't want to put anything underneath my eyes because I feel like I'll look dead, but I am going to take my Love in London palette and I'm going to use the color Cheeky to put on the inside of like corner of my eyelids because I want to add a color and I think that one will look super cute. I think it looks cute. What do you guys think? I don't know if you can tell. I don't know if it makes that much of a difference. Okay, whenever I do my makeup, my hands end up like all whack and stuff. So today, this looks semi-okay. This looks semi-okay. And that's wrong. That's wrong. This is makeup meltdown. So I'm gonna call today's makeup meltdown a fail because I did not have a meltdown after doing my makeup really bad because this actually looks semi-good. Like, this is the best blue eyeshadow look I've done in my entire life. Like, look at that. I don't know. Do you guys think it looks good? I think it looks good. Not to brag or anything. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And make sure to be nice because guess what? I will find you if you are not nice. Okay? So be nice. Do something extra kind. Bye!